As I'm sitting here at a park near my son's school, you can hear various sounds in the distance. I don't know if you can hear it, but there are some birds in the trees. There's the faint voices of some children in the distance. Just a moment ago, there was an ambulance that drove by. And my question is, what distinguishes between sounds that are pleasurable and noise? This week we'll be looking at Paul's letter to the Corinthians, a very familiar passage where Paul distinguishes the difference between noise and pleasurable sounds when he talks about love. These days we hear a lot of noise, and it would do us well as followers of Christ to remember that to elevate the noise into pleasurable sounds, all it takes is love. God bless.